Hi guys, we're going to be making an ice cream today. Basically, my ingredients are 4 eggs separated. As you can see, I've got the egg yolks here. Then I've got the egg whites plus 100 grams of sugar, and I've made that meringue. I've got 300 mils of double cream, and I've whipped that. And then I've got my flavouring, which today I'm going to be making honey and orange marmalade. Sounds weird, but it's actually really nice. And this is going in my mixing bowl. So, I've done all the hard work. All I have to do now is to blend them together with my trusty spoonula. I'm going to just basically, I'm going to be adding the egg yolks and the mixed and the flavouring. And then I'm going to add my cream. Make sure I've got it all. And I'm going to mix that around until it's well incorporated. And there's no lumps. It's quite important. It doesn't really matter at this stage if it's a little bit runny, because when you add the meringue, it'll lift it. So you want that to be really nice and smooth. Obviously, if you're going to be doing stuff that's got lumps in it, like raisins and pistachios and things like that, then you're going to have lumps in it. Or you can even get really creative and do like a cheesecake thing, you know, go along the lines of Ben and Jerry's and all that. Other other brands also available. So now, just throw in your meringue. It's really easy, this recipe, because all it is 100 grams of sugar, 4 eggs separated, and then your flavouring. Easy really. And then you just bring that around, do the figure of 8 sort of thing, keeping everything as light as possible, and then you're just working your mixture until it's completely incorporated with everything. You could do like I could do like a honey marbling effect, but I'm not going to do that today. So basically, that is my ice cream. And this, I'm assured, and I've even done it before, that when you freeze it, it becomes really nice soft scoop. You know what's in it, and unlike some shop bought stuff, you know, it's not full of air, as in, you know, purposely pumped in. This is my container. And I'll just throw it all in the container, and because this is done in this way, there's no need to churn, and I will do a short vid of the result. So I think there's some people out there who may be saying, oh well, you know, you've done the meringue, so it's going to have a lot of air in anyway. Yeah, you're right about that. But it's not like it's been purposely like 50% of the ice cream is just air. So that is all ready to go in the freezer, and I would leave it overnight to get the maximum effect. And then trust me, once you've done that, you're going to have an amazing ice cream.
Hi guys, this is the end result. So this is where I show you the finished product. Okay, so now I'm going to do a soft scoop. I haven't churned it, I haven't done anything like that. Like I said before, I just made the mix, put it in the freezer, and this is it. Look at that soft scoop. Beautiful. Look at that. As if you were buying it from the shop. And let me tell you something, I did some sums, and this product with all the ingredients cost me £2.12. So that is proper, better than your luxury for £4. 2 litres, right, for £2.50. And you know what you've put in there, you know what you've made. Beautiful, homemade, done overnight, beautiful.